In this tutorial, you will learn how to create SharePoint credentials using an O365 user account that will enable you to access your SharePoint documents through a Microsoft SharePoint external integration. Please be aware that this method will soon be retired by Microsoft, as it is considered a legacy authentication method. We strongly recommend using the SharePoint Azure Entra ID app registration credentials instead. First, click on Credentials and Models in the menu to view the list of credentials. Next, click on Add Credentials to begin creating new credentials. As you can see, there are two types of SharePoint credentials. In this tutorial, we will focus on the basic SharePoint O365 user account credentials, which is a legacy method. Click on SharePoint O365 user account. Begin by assigning a name to the credentials. Next, select who can edit the credentials. Here, we will allow other builders to edit them. Next, provide the URL of your SharePoint tenant in the format https://yourtenantsharepoint.com. Specify the email address, O365 account, to use to access the SharePoint. We recommend using a service account. Provide the password associated with the account. Finally, click on Add Credentials to finalize the creation. The credentials should now be visible with the success status in the list of credentials.